Africa's untapped potential in agriculture, particularly livestock, presents a significant opportunity for the feed mill industry. With a burgeoning population and increasing demand for animal protein, the need for high-quality poultry feed is paramount. Currently, the continent faces a shortage of locally produced feed, leading to reliance on imports and hindering the growth of the poultry sector. Welcome to today's video, where we explore the untapped potential of the poultry feed and feed mill processing business in Africa. Africa is home to millions of livestock and poultry, yet there's a significant gap in the availability of quality feed. This presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. Let's dive into how semi-automatic machines can revolutionize this industry and the strategies needed to succeed. Africa's agricultural sector is growing, but one critical area that needs development is the production of animal feed. Poultry and livestock farming are widespread, but the lack of a reliable feed industry hampers productivity and growth. By investing in feed mill processing machines, you can fill this gap and build a thriving business. Africa is home to a diverse livestock population, including poultry, cattle, goats, and sheep. Poultry farming, in particular, is a significant source of income and protein for millions of people. However, the lack of affordable and nutritious feed hampers the industry's growth. First, let's understand the market. The demand for poultry and livestock feed is immense and growing. With increasing urbanization and a rising middle class, the demand for poultry products is on the rise. However, the supply of quality feed is limited, creating an opportunity for feed mill businesses. Farmers across Africa face challenges such as inconsistent feed quality, high prices, and limited availability. Addressing these issues with a reliable feed supply can significantly boost livestock productivity and farmers' incomes. Establishing a poultry feed mill in Africa offers substantial business potential. Growing poultry population, increasing consumer demand for poultry products, government support for agriculture, import substitution opportunities, high profit margins due to limited competition, opportunity to create value-added products, potential for export to neighboring countries. A successful feed mill requires a combination of machinery to efficiently process raw materials into high-quality feed. Hammer mills. For grinding grains into smaller particles, semi-automatic machines are suitable for smaller-scale operations and require manual labor for some tasks. Fully automatic machines are ideal for large-scale production and offer higher efficiency. Now let's explore the essential machinery for poultry feed production. Using semi-automatic machines, you can produce high-quality feed efficiently and cost-effectively. First, we have the hammer mill. This machine is used for grinding raw materials into smaller particles. It's essential for producing a uniform feed mix. Next, the mixer. This machine ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly mixed to provide a balanced diet for poultry and livestock. Pellet mills are crucial for producing pelletized feed. Pellets are easier to store, transport, and feed to animals compared to loose feed. Finally, packaging machines. Proper packaging ensures the feed remains fresh and free from contamination. It also makes it easier to handle and distribute. Mixers, for blending different ingredients. Pellet mills, for creating compressed feed pellets. Coolers, for cooling pellets to prevent sticking packers. For packaging feed into different sizes. Raw material intake, receiving and storing ingredients. Cleaning and pre-processing, removing impurities and preparing materials. Grinding, reducing particle size of grains and other ingredients. Mixing, blending ingredients according to the feed formula. Pelleting, forming feed into pellets for easy handling and storage. Cooling, reducing pellet temperature to prevent sticking. Packaging, packing feed into bags or bulk containers. Let's walk through the entire feed production process, from raw materials to the final product. It begins with sourcing and storing raw materials such as maize, soybeans, and other grains. Ensuring these materials are clean and stored properly is crucial. The raw materials are then ground using the hammer mill to create a consistent particle size. These ground materials are mixed in precise proportions in the mixer to create a balanced feed. The mixed feed is then pelletized using the pellet mill. This process involves forcing the mixed feed through a die to create pellets. After pelletizing, the feed is cooled and dried to remove excess moisture and ensure the pellets are hard and durable. Finally, the feed is packaged using semi-automatic packaging machines. Proper packaging ensures the feed remains fresh and is easy to transport and store. Let's dive deeper into the key raw materials needed for poultry feed production. Understanding these ingredients is crucial for creating high-quality, balanced feed that meets the nutritional needs of poultry. Maize, or corn, is one of the most important ingredients in poultry feed. It's a rich source of energy and carbohydrates, essential for the growth and development of poultry. Sourcing high-quality maize is vital for ensuring the energy content of the feed. Soybeans are another critical ingredient, providing a rich source of protein. Protein is necessary for muscle development and overall health in poultry. Soybean meal, a byproduct of soybean oil extraction, is commonly used in feed. Fish meal is an excellent source of high-quality protein and essential amino acids. It enhances the nutritional profile of the feed, promoting growth and productivity in poultry. Wheat and barley are other valuable ingredients. Developing balanced and nutritious feed formulations is crucial for optimal poultry performance. Key nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. Regular quality control checks to ensure nutrient levels and safety. Effective marketing is essential for building a strong brand and customer base. Target market: poultry farmers of different sizes, livestock cooperatives, government agencies. Having a solid marketing strategy is essential to succeed in the poultry feed business. Here are some key strategies to consider. Start by building brand awareness. Create a strong brand identity that stands for quality and reliability. Use attractive packaging and consistent branding across all your products. Leverage digital marketing to reach a broader audience. Use social media platforms, a professional website, and online advertising to promote your feed products. Share educational content about the benefits of your feed and how it improves livestock productivity. Digital marketing, websites, social media, trade shows and exhibitions, partnerships with agricultural extension services, direct sales to farmers. Build strong relationships with local farmers. Offer them trials of your feed, provide nutritional information, and demonstrate the benefits of using your products. Word-of-mouth recommendations from satisfied farmers can be very powerful. Participate in agricultural fairs and exhibitions to showcase your products. These events are great opportunities to network with farmers, distributors, and other stakeholders. Use local advertising methods such as flyers, posters, and radio ads to reach farmers in your area. Highlight any promotions or discounts to attract new customers. Consider offering bulk discounts to encourage larger purchases. Implement loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and build long-term relationships. Provide excellent customer support and training. Educate farmers on the best practices for using your feed and offer support to help them maximize their productivity. Common challenges faced by feed businesses. Infrastructure: addressing power supply, transportation, and storage issues. Raw material supply, ensuring consistent supply of quality ingredients. Human capital, building a skilled workforce. Regulations, complying with food safety and environmental regulations. By carefully considering these factors and investing in the right equipment and expertise, entrepreneurs can build a successful poultry feed mill business in Africa. Like any business, starting a feed mill comes with its challenges. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Sourcing high-quality raw materials consistently can be challenging. Establish strong relationships with reliable suppliers and consider working directly with local farmers. Maintaining consistent quality is crucial. Implement strict quality control measures and regular testing to ensure your feed meets the required standards. Managing costs is essential for profitability. Monitor your expenses closely, optimize production processes, and seek bulk purchasing discounts for raw materials. Understand and comply with local regulations and standards for animal feed production. This ensures your business operates legally and maintains consumer trust. Invest in training your workforce. Skilled employees can improve efficiency and ensure high-quality production. Investing in the poultry feed and feed mill processing business in Africa can be incredibly rewarding. By leveraging semi-automatic machines, you can produce high-quality feed, meet the growing demand, and support the agricultural sector's growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For more information on starting your feed mill business, visit our website and follow us on social media. Let's work together to build a thriving feed industry in Africa. End screen with subscribe button, video recommendations. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities in the world of animal feed processing. See you in the next video.